If you've ever wondered where your photos really go when you upload them to the cloud, or how you can stream hours of video without downloading a single file, then you're in the right place. Stick around, because we're about to demystify one of the biggest buzzwords in tech. And hey, if you end up learning something new, do us a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. All right, let's get into it. What is the cloud? First things first, it's not an actual fluffy white cloud in the sky. Shocking, I know. In the simplest terms, the cloud is just someone else's computer. But it's not just one computer. It's a massive global network of powerful servers, all interconnected and designed to store and manage data, run applications, and deliver content and services over the internet. Think of it like this. Instead of keeping all your books in a single backpack that you have to carry everywhere, you put them in a massive public library. You can access any book you need from anywhere, as long as you have a library card, which in this case is an internet connection. The library takes care of storing the books, organizing them, and making sure they're safe. That's essentially what cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure do. They own and operate these gigantic libraries of computers, which we call data centers. So, when you upload a photo to Google Photos or save a document in iCloud, what's happening? Your file is sent over the internet to one of these data centers. It's not just stored on one single server, though. To make sure your data is safe and always accessible, it's often replicated, meaning copies are made and stored on multiple servers, sometimes in different physical locations. This is called redundancy. It's the cloud's secret weapon against failure. If one server goes down, another one instantly picks up the slack, and you probably won't even notice. This brings us to virtualization. This is a key technology that makes the cloud so efficient. Imagine you have one huge, powerful server. Virtualization software can slice that one physical server into multiple virtual servers. Each virtual server acts like its own independent computer with its own operating system and applications. This allows cloud providers to get the most out of their hardware, serving thousands of customers from the same physical machine without their data or processes ever mixing. It's like having a single giant apartment building, but each apartment is completely private and self-contained. Now, let's talk about the different types of cloud services. You've probably heard terms like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Let's break them down. SaaS, or software as a service, is what most of us use every day. Think Netflix, Spotify, or Gmail. You're not managing the software or the hardware it runs on. You're just using it through a web browser or an app. It's the most hands-off model. Then there's PS, or Platform as a Service. This is for developers. It provides a platform of framework for them to build, test, and deploy their own applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure like servers, storage, or networking. A good example is Google App Engine. Finally, we have IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service. This is the most fundamental level. It's like renting the raw computing infrastructure, the virtual servers, storage, and networking from a cloud provider. Companies like Netflix use IaaS to build their entire massive streaming platform from the ground up, giving them maximum control and flexibility. So, how does this all come together when you say, stream a movie? When you press play on Netflix, your request is sent to Netflix's system, which is built on a cloud infrastructure like AWS. The system instantly finds the closest server to you that has a copy of that movie. This is done through a content delivery network, or CDN, which is a network of servers strategically placed around the world to deliver content faster. The movie is then broken down into tiny packets of data and streamed to your device over the internet, piece by piece. Your device reassembles these packets in real time, so you see a continuous, smooth video. It's an incredible split-second dance of data happening across the globe, all to let you binge-watch your favorite show. The cloud has fundamentally changed how we live and work. It gives us incredible power and convenience, allowing us to access vast amounts of data and sophisticated applications from a simple device in our pocket. It's a complex system of physical hardware, clever software, and lightning-fast networks, all working together seamlessly behind the scenes. It's not magic, but it's pretty close. And that's the cloud in a nutshell. It's less of a mysterious entity and more of a practical, powerful solution for the digital age. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're the first to know when we post new content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.